Before we go into the details of Google Kubernetes, we need to understand what a container is. Containers are executable units of software in which application code is packaged along with its libraries and dependencies, so it can be run anywhere, whether on the desktop, traditional IT, or on the cloud. Let's talk about what Kubernetes is at a high level. Kubernetes is a system for orchestrating containerized applications. So if you're packaging your software application using something like Docker and wish to deploy and manage those Docker containers, Kubernetes gives you the tools to abstract away most hardware and network considerations to make managing your system much easier. Kubernetes is a free and open source container orchestration solution which allows you to run and manage container-based workloads for automating containerized application deployment, scaling, and operation. It's designed to handle tens of thousands to millions of containers at once. It takes care of scaling and failover for your application, providing deployment patterns.